Hello, my good viewers. Welcome back for tuning into my channel. Thank you so much for your support. I hope you are all good. If you are new in this channel, feel welcome and thank you for tuning in. Just do the necessary. Please view, like, share, and subscribe. And also remember the notification bells as well. Okay, just want to give you a tip on how to nurse alcohol hangover. So, guys, I've seen people suffering when after drinking so much in the morning, they wake up, they have a lot of hangovers. They try this food, it can't work. They try different juices, water, they can't manage it. So, I have the simplest way of nursing over hangover, and this is a recipe. I can call it a recipe of nursing hangover, and let's just do it together. So keep tuned and let's go. So I guess most of you or you people have seen something like that. These bones here, these are from beef, cow, and their bones. So what we're going to do with this is just to boil it. We're going to boil it for about 6 hours. So if you know you are one person who drinks more oftenly, you should be having this, and it's very cheap, guys. Buy it, it doesn't cost much. So you just put it and let it boil for some time with just little salt as possible. No cooking fat, no vegetable oil. We just had some, put some onions in it to boil together with that, and maybe you can add some vegetables like this is Kenyan spinach. So this spinach, this one like this, and it will boil. Then after that you can just take it and drink it, and everything you'll just get fine. You'll be fine. So guys, keep tuned and see what I'm going to do. Look at the level of water. I've put a lot of water because this bones has to boil until it gets soft. So initially you just put water first, you let it boil. Then as you add water, that's when you're going to add in some onions and some salt to taste. So maybe for a beginning, just let water like that. So I'm using charcoal Jiko stove, and then you just cover it just to make sure that everything is clean. So guys, keep tuned as we move. You can see now, these are the bones that have been boiled. Okay, so if you are a person who takes pepper, you can put peppers. Now I just want to add some little salt for it to have a taste, some onions to give it a taste, and some just green bananas. Just give it a few minutes, otherwise it's ready, so that red onions can cook a bit. But otherwise the soup is ready, and it's very good. If you are nursing hangover, please just try this recipe. So guys, this is all about the recipe for nursing alcohol hangover. So kindly view this video, share, give it a like, and if possible, try it out. So you can serve it using the soup bowls or a cup of tea or anything. Once you take this, guys, you'll be fine. And the bones here are very healthy because they strengthen bones. Those who have got injuries, those who have got um, problem with their bones, this is the best for even breastfeeding mothers, women who have just given birth. This is the best recipe for you. So guys, keep tuned. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. For those who are taking alcohol, if you want to nurse alcohol hangover, this is the best recipe for you, guys. You can see the bones, but it has also some meat here, and this is the soup, which is chilled. If you don't want to eat with pepper, you can just do without pepper. So you can see the bone. If you can look at this, there's even bone marrow, you can see. So this is so nice, guys. Please view this video, like, share, subscribe.